If you want success, you need to be positive, and the best source of positivity is nothing but providing educational services and dedication are the most important elements to reach your goal. For that, you need to do regular practice and respect to the master. And everybody says mistake is the first key to success, but the real fact is correction of mistake is the first key to the success. And I say that money is a small coin, health is a big coin, love is a lucky coin, friendship is a sweet coin, but service is the golden coin. So keep it safe. What kind of interest you have, you need to identify, because if you have zeal to achieve, you can achieve anything. And the best example is a boy from remote area had a zeal to know about how the bird flies. So this zeal made him to fly from the remote area to the President House. And that person is none other than Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam sir. So people say that I have made a great work in education, sports and music at a very young age, and this is all because of my parents. So I say that love the parents, respect the parents, assist the parents, care the parents, serve the parents. Above all, worship your parents. As Gandhiji said, mother is the first teacher and father is the source of energy. So never ever ignore your parents. So one tree can start a forest, one smile can start a friendship, one touch can show how you care, but one teacher can make the whole society worth living. So always respect your teachers, and a great round of applause for all the teachers who are working for the students here. And you explain yourself not to give up to any emotional weaknesses in the face of crisis. Instead, face the challenges with courage. And the right course is to face the difficulties of life with bravery, guts, manliness and proper understanding of the situation, because there is no scope for mental or emotional weaknesses in the battle of life. Winning and losing depends on your thinking. If you think, you will lose, and if you decide, you will win, and you are the winner. So I wanted to say that the college education or school education is very adventurous to the people who try to mug up the subject, but who understand the subject and reproduce with their own language are the geniuses. As they know, education is like a creativity. Creativity leads to thinking, thinking provides the knowledge, knowledge helps the wisdom, and wisdom, so everybody wants to be a successful personality. For that, as I said you just now, that if you want to be successful, you have to follow two things. And I'm repeating it again, and I want you all to repeat with me. Are you ready? I can't hear. मुझे नहीं लग रहा कि students are sitting here, so are you ready? I can't hear. Are you ready? Yes. So the first one is regular practice. I want you to repeat with me. Regular practice and respect to the master. If you follow these two things, 100% you will become a successful personality. And on the basis of these golden words, Ekalavya turned into a great archer who made a history. So it is very difficult to change the odds of the society, but if you use the most powerful weapon, that is education, everything, everywhere and every corner of the world can be changed. As you know, education is the most powerful weapon which has the capability to change. You should be always thankful to your parents and your teachers who help us in education, who teach us and who also spare their time for our welfare. And we have two greatest gifts on earth. One is parents and the other one is teachers, because parents teach us the standard of living and teachers teach us the standard of knowledge. Knowledge comes from learning and wisdom comes from living. So we should be always thankful to the Almighty who has given us these greatest gifts on the earth. So ability to buy and willingness to pay explains the law of demand. In the same manner, equation of Raj Uncle's life says the willingness for learning. So automatically learning will give you earning. So if you want to transform yourself and become a great entrepreneur, a great personality, you need to make a habit of reading books and think positive about day-to-day activity. And if you want success, you need to be polite, down to earth and disciplined. You should believe in work and simplicity, which will give you more name, fame and prosperity. So the only thing I wanted to share with you all is, when you do work, you do it with pleasure, because pleasure will give you perfection and perfection will make you more patriotic. That is the reason our tricolor in the Middle East countries makes us. My father has not purchased any property till now. We still stay in a rented house, but he spent his precious time to make us understand that what is the importance of reading books and made us passionate towards reading books. And we believe that this is the authenticate property which cannot be forged or robbed nor taken away by any authority. And I can say that magic of success is only possible through reading books, because more you read, more you learn. And when you learn, you will easily earn. So positive thinking and positive action makes you more successful. And today I am very glad to see that lots of friends are working together to make this event successful. So I am 100% sure that this event will be successful, because friends are like a medicine for the wounded heart and vitamins for the hopeful soul. So strength of friends and friendship can make any event successful. So a great round of applause for all the organizers who have worked so hard to make this event successful. This institution has given you many things like friends, respect and trust. I think you people are sitting very quiet. There should be a round of applause, because I'll tell you the reason that why I am asking you to clap. First you clap and then I'll be telling. Are you ready to listen that why I am asking you to clap? Are you ready?
Yes!
फिर से silent हो गए. Are you ready? I think your voice has reached to that gate. I want entire Kundapur your voice should be heard. Are you ready?
Yes!
Yeah. So, class free, sugar free, tax free and no GST too. It reduces the blood pressure, relieves pain and depression, need no batteries and absolutely free of cost. So please be clapping and laughing. So पाना है जो मुकाम, वो मुकाम अभी बाकी है. अभी तो आए हैं जमीन पर, अभी आसमान की उड़ान बाकी है. अभी तो लोगों ने सुना है मेरा नाम, अब इस नाम की पहचान बनाना बाकी है. तो जब इस इरादे से मैंने सरजमीन पाकिस्तान में हमारा तिरंगा लहराया, कसम भारत माता की, ऐसा मजा मैंने कभी नहीं पाया। एंड मेरे माता पिता का प्रोत्साहन ही मुझे ये सब करने के लिए प्रोत्साहित किया। तो मैं कहती हूँ कि फूल कभी दो बार नहीं खिलते, जंग कभी दो बार नहीं मिलता। मिलने को तो हजारों लोग मिल जाते हैं, पर 1000 बार प्रेम और प्रोत्साहन देने वाले माता पिता नहीं मिलते। और मेरे पिता कहते हैं कि खरीद सकते उन्हें तो अपनी जिंदगी बेचकर भी खरीद लेंगे, पर अफसोस है कि कुछ लोग कीमत से नहीं, जमी की तलाश न कर, जी ले जिंदगी खुशी की तलाश न कर। तकदीर बदल जाएगी मेरे दोस्त, मुस्कुराना सीख ले, वजह की तलाश न कर। तो थैंक यू so much, and I am very glad to